Hello, hi. So I'm here to talk about books. Surprise! I'm here to talk about three books about bookshop. The first one is very famous, Our Days at Murasaki Bookstore. Um, I don't have a copy of it with me right now, but I do have everything right here. And the second one is my favorite, Welcome to Humnangdong Bookshop. And the third one is called The Bookshop Woman. Okay. So, all three of them do have a common thread apart from being about or around a bookshop. In all three of them, there is a woman who whose life has just crumbled apart in front of her, and she decided to rely on books either by herself or by because of the circumstances. So, I should start talking about these books individually. The first one is Welcome to Humnangdo Bookshop. I love this book. I love this cover. I love the character, and I have recommended everyone I know to please read this book. It's about a woman who has just walked away from her life and decided to start a bookshop with a cafe. And she is very reflective, and she asks really good questions to herself to understand who she is, what she wants, and also to understand how she might be able to run a bookshop successfully. This book is not about a bookshop or books. This book is about being exhausted from the tedium of life and just taking some time off. Not everybody can do that, but they're trying. All of those characters that were introduced in the books, all the readers and non-readers as well, have created the space of resting inside that bookshop, and the main characters was also trying to do that only. She just wanted to slow down and not live life according to the fixed pathway that have been created. You marry this person, go to this, work here, do this, do that. She was exhausted, like all of us. I think that's why I like this book so much, because I am exhausted. The second book is The Bookshop Woman. It's about a woman whose life has again crumbled apart, and she decided to download an app named Perfect Strangers and go meet people. It's not a dating app. It's a it's an app where people just meet for whatever reason they want to meet. It's a kind of a networking app, and she decides to go and meet people, make a profile, meet people, and recommend them books. I think conversations are educational. So she has all these conversations with different people, and she notices a different side of her resurface. How she thinks about the other person, how she perceives the other persons, makes her side that is not that she has been that she is not in touch with to resurface to the ground. So So overall, interesting pick. I liked it up to page up to I liked it up to page 140. Then I thought कि अरे यार खींच रहे यार बस करो. But the interesting thing is कि नाना को हनादा जिसने ये किताब लिखी है, she started a bookshop after this book got famous. Let's talk about the third book, Our Days at Marazaki Bookstore. I read it last year around November, and it was really cold. And that book gave me all the warmth. And it was not like I was reading that book देखने के लिए कि आगे क्या होगा आगे क्या होगा. I was reading कि okay, let's live life, and when I want comfort, then I will pick it up. I completed that book in 5 days. So the Darko is the character, and she just had a bad breakup, stopped working or lost her job. I don't exactly remember. And is going to move. And she is going to move in the second floor of a bookshop that her uncle owns. And she just goes there and sleeps for first 10 or 20 pages and read books randomly. That was really nice. I also want to have a space where I can go and rest. And it will be really nice if it is a second floor of a bookshop. So, okay, nice. I overall, I really like this book. But there is a character. If you ever decide to read this book, there is a character named Momoko. I really want to know what do you think about her. And also fun fact, I never remember how the book ended. I don't remember what were the exact last line of the book. But somehow I remember how this ended. And it gives off so much warmth. I love it. Okay, that's it. That's all I wanted to talk about. Let me know if you decide to read any one of them and or if you have more questions related to these books. Okay, bye bye. See you next Wednesday. Bye.